The following lecture was given by His Divine Grace Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Maharaj, Monday at 7 a.m. on June 29th, 1992, on the disappearance day of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur at the Sri Chaitanya Saraswat Ashram in San Jose, California.
Gaudiya Math had to go and join after 3 years, after taking sannyas, 2 3 years after, Maharaj composed one poetry, Sanskrit poetry, and remembrance of our Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, he gave in hand of Srila Saraswati Thakur and Saraswati Thakur saying that, reading that Sanskrit poetry, very happily respond and told after ask someone be in this world who can carry on the Mahaprabhu's flag in the line of perfect Rupananda Sampradaya. And I am very happy. And when Prabhupada gave that poetry first, Prabhupada in heard from Guru Maharaj, the first he tried to scrutinize to see that, scrutinizing way. But after reading 3 4 slokas, Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur forget to do scrutiny. And he showed he is very happy style. There Guru Maharaj expressed something about Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very deep way. Bhaktivinoda Thakur born in Nadia district, Ula, Birnagar, near to Krishnanagar. near to Pulia also, Haridas Thakur, Bhajan Ashram, Bhajan Kuti was there. But later, Bhaktivinoda Thakur come out as a great devotee of Mahaprabhu. And in the name of Mahaprabhu, Bhaktivinoda Thakur tried to express real Krishna consciousness, tried to establish real Krishna consciousness. And that day was very heavy. That time, আউল বাউল কর্তা ভজা লীলা দর্বেশান সহজিয়া সখী ভেটি সাঁত জাত গোসাই অতিবাড়ি চূড়া খালি গৌরাঙ্গ নাগরী ওটা করে এই তার সম্প্রদায়। That time 13 অপসম্প্রদায় was very strong, especially in Ula, Virnagar. They are Aul and Baul Sampradaya. Kartavadi Sampradaya, they were very strong. And from childhood, Dr. Thakur have seen something, their activities, and he was very against of that. But later when he appeared as a devotee of Mahaprabhu, he first tried to correct the error of Sampradaya, real Sampradaya of Mahaprabhu, and Vaitota Ramdas Babaji before rejected them, and he took a real perfect position of devotee in Gopalika Sampradaya. And many ways he tried to remove that Upasampradaya's activity. But very sober way, not too much fighting way. Sometimes direct his telling, you are doing very wrong, this is not true. But not making them very unhappy. They also, after hearing from Bhaktivinoda Thakur, again they are coming to Bhaktivinoda Thakur to learn from him. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, about Sri Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Sri Guru Maharaj composed that Sanskrit verse, Ha ha bhakti vinod thakur guru Davi satiste sama dilghat dukkha varadasi subirahat kristikrita bhuryam Jivanang bhujarma punna nivaha Krishto mahi mandali Avirbhava kripanu chakar bhavan Sri Gaura Shakti Swayam. And these verses, you are the Gaura Shakti. Now 22 years passed, we have not seen we are in very sad position, not seeing your lotus feet. And when you disappear, all the devotee was very sad to hear that you appear by the Mahaprabhu's will. Your form is Gaura Shakti of Mahaprabhu, power of Mahaprabhu. and Bahu Janma Purna Nivaha Sto Mahimanda. Very auspicious soul, their earnest desire for fulfillment, you appear in this mundane world. I have no capacity to glorify your grace, even no capacity to touch the lotus feet dust. Dinoham Chidishpatir Nahi Bhavat Padabja Dhuli Kana Snanananda Nidhipanna Subhadanga Labdhu Samartho Bhava. Dinoham Chidishpatir Nahi Bhavat Padabja Dhuli Kana Snanananda Nidhipanna Subhadanga Labdhu Samartho Bhavan. किंतु दार्य गुणात् तवाति जशस कारुण्य शक्ति स्वयं श्री श्री गौर महाप्रभु प्रभुता विश्वं समन्नग्रही. Like Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you appear in this mundane world and you clean up everything unauspiciousness and you bestow your mercy and give him to them the real Krishna consciousness. Kahu Mundamati Vapati Karna Avadi Jara Karna Shakti Shah. Dharmas Charma Gato Gati Vasatata Yogascha Bhogatmako Yani Sunnagati Japina Tamsat Khat Buddhimata Angvidhi Hridata Hatra Bhavan Preshita लोकानां हितकन्मया भगवतो भक्ति पुचारस्त्वया ग्रन्थानां रचने शतामभिमते नानाविधे दर्शित एतन्नबुधै कदात्पतिशयालङ्कार इत्युच्यतां शास्त्रेष्येव न पारयेममिति यत् गीतं मुकुन्देन तत् यत्धाम न खलु धाम चैव निगमे ब्रह्मेति संगायते यस्यांशस्य कलैव दुःखनिकलैर्योगेश्वरैर्मृगते वैकुण्ठे परमुक्तभृङ्गचरणो नारायणो यस्यां तस्यांसि भगवान् स्वयं रसवपुः कृष्णो भवां तत्प्रद सर्वाचिन्तमयि परात्परपुरे गोलोकवृन्दावने चिल्लीलारसरङ्गिनी परिवृता साराधिका श्रीहरे यैर्वात्सल्यादिरसैश्च सेविततनुर्माधुर्यसेवासुखम् नित्यं यत्र मुदा तनोति हि भवान् तद्धाम सेवापद श्रीगौरानुमतं स्वरूपविदितं रूपाग्रजेनार्जितं रूपाद्वै परिवेशितं रघुगणैरास्वादितं सेवितं जीवाद्वैरभिरक्षितं सुखशिवब्रह्मादिसम्मानितं श्रीराधापदसेवनामृतमहो तद्दातु मे शोभवान्. काहुर्मन्दमतिस्ततीव पुदितः कर्तं जगत्पावन भस्यामि कृपयापराधनुचयो नूनं दया कन्मतां याचेऽहं करुणानिधि वर्णिमङ्गपादाब्जमूले भवत् षड्वस्यापतिराधिकाद्वैतदासानां नरे गण्यता. Bhaktivinoda Viraha Dasakam composed by Guru Maharaj, and after reading that, Prabhupada was very happy. And from that day, vision of Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur about Guru Maharaj, wholesale changed. That is, that time was a very hard time. Actually, Sahajiya Sampradaya and Jati Gosai Sampradaya, they conquered whole Bengal, even whole India, you can say. And Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur wants to establish real Krishna conception, Krishna consciousness line of Sri Rupa Goswami. That is, he had that Sahajiyaism so hard. When Saraswati Thakur was 12 years old boy, that time Charandas Babaji was Siddha Mahapurush, famous, he was his name. But he time to time come to see Bhaktivinoda Thakur. That is two cause. one Bhaktivinoda Thakur's fame was very unlimited, and also he was very faithful government officer, Soe, that is deputy magistrate in Nadia district. And 208, his position was very exalted, and that Charandas Babaji time to time come to see Bhaktivinoda Thakur for their own benefit. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur direct not told to them, you're not to come to me, but he is telling you what you are doing, it is wrong this way. And they are also coming. After that also they are coming. So one day Charandas Babaji come to Bhaktivinoda Thakur and talking there. In the meantime, Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur passing that way and seeing Charandas Babaji seated with Bhaktivinoda Thakur, then from far he make Dandavat Pranam, not gone near to Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
How?
Huh?
Small.
Small boy,
Oh.
12 years old, 10 or 12 years, like this. Then Charandas Babaji looking to Prabhupada and told to Bhaktivinoda Thakur, who is this boy, very nice looking, but not come to you, your fond. From so far he is doing Dandavat. Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, oh, this boy is my son, but he is very firm in the line of Krishna consciousness, and he always avoid this Sahajiaism and very hard. That is, you are a Sahajiya. And 100 hand, 100 হাত দূরে থেকে 150 feet apart, he is keeping himself from the Sahajiya. And so hearing that Charandas Babaji was shy, he every day coming to make me Dandavat, but today you are here and he is avoiding Sahajiaism this way now. Very young boy. And from that day, the Sahajiya Sampradaya, he was the head of Sahajiya Sampradaya Guru. They know Sahajiya, Saraswati Thakur in future will come out as a great Acharya in Sampradaya.
Dhanyavad Maharaj.
Dhanyavad Maharaj.
Sorry I'm late.
Little late. I am sick, you are late. No problem. Doso iranna janasraya rapatapu jatasma ittadbhutam.
Yes. I am Dosha.
Acharya Maharaj. Not you have those, but you are suffering too much, I am thinking. Actually, it is very hard program of us. We may get sick, but cannot stop preaching. That is now position, that is it. Already happened 2 months or 3-4 months ago. Program already made. Anyhow. Then later Srila Saraswati Thakur very strictly follow Srila Jiva Goswami and try to smash the Sahajiaism and other Aposampradaya. And when he has got that poetry in the name of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and it is very perfectly presented to him, he was very happy to see that. And he praised Guru Maharaj and told, at least one man after me will exist in this world who can carry our Sampradaya. And Guru Maharaj said, this is that poetry is cause to give him charge of Rupa-Nuga Sampradaya last time. From that day, Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur changed his mood. And many times he examined Srila Guru Maharaj. And he was very happy to see the line of Guru Parampara. Even Gaurkishore Das Babaji Maharaj, he was Siddha Mahapurush and very renounced type. Later he also, when come to Navadvip, he is coming to see Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and from Bhaktivinoda Thakur he tried to hear the explanation of Srimad Bhagavatam. Prabhupada, Saraswati Thakur told Bhaktivinoda Thakur was Gaur Mahaprabhu's parson, and what he given that nobody can guess how exalted that conception. Krishna Samhita, Bhagavata, Kamanishi Mala, Chaitanya Shikshamrita, Jaiva Dharma, Datta Kaustu, Natak, few Natakas, many books he composed. And we can say his special gift is that his songs, Krishna songs, many songs he composed, Sharanagati, Gitavali, like that, Kalyan Kalpataru, Giti Mala, Jamuna Bhavavali, many songs composed Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And in the song we will get, through the song, we will get all the gist of the scriptures. If all the scripture once disappear, but if Bhaktivinoda Thakur's song will live, exist in this mundane world, then we will get everything through that song. And when I joined, fortunately, that time Srila Guru Maharaj given me Sharanagati and few songs for memorize. And always Guru Maharaj wants to hear Bhaktivinoda Thakur's song. You only few songs of Narottam Thakur, one or two songs other Vaishnavas, only one song of Vidyapati, and all the songs of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. It is chanted in Chaitanya Saraswati Math. That is, there is everything. Guru told it in the song of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, there is everything you will get. Many history in the life of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. When he was in Puri, Jagannath Puri, that time Biskishan, one very big yogi, he declared he is himself Krishna, and he appeared in form of Biskishan, and he will fight with British government. And that day, someone did, Chaddai Chaitra Rana Hava. That means 14th Chaitra, he will start his own war. For freedom or something like that. And he is doing many things wrong. But at that time British government gave charge to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He will decide about that man. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur gone to Biskishan, and he was very big yogi. After seeing to Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he told, "Oh, you come for that purpose. Anyhow, you are my great devotee. I shall not do anything against you. You take shelter in my feet." And Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, "You know everything. What about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? You have idea." And Biskishan said, "Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is my great devotee." After hearing, Bhaktivinoda Thakur decided this man is a cheater. He তিনি ওজন করে নিলেন তার যোগ্যতাটা। Through that question, he measurement his qualification. He have done measurement of Biskishan's qualification. When that yogi Biskishan told the Mahaprabhu is a great devotee, then he thinks, Bhaktivinoda Thakur thinks, that man is very bluffer and cheater. No doubt. He has no real consciousness. And he gave threatened, if you do this, I shall arrest you. And Biskishan was very angry and told, Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, I am giving you 24 hours time. If you not change your mood, I shall arrest you. The next day, Bhaktivinoda Thakur gone there and he shown many vibhuti, magic. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur forcefully arrested him and put in the jail. And British government gave charge to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He will decide about that. He will be judged and he will decide about that Biskishan. But Biskishan in the jail shown many things, magic, miracles, and in the court also. Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave him 3 times chance. You change your mood, otherwise he will be punished. What Biskishan not listen that. Lastly, Biskishan gave much trouble to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur do not care that. When he will give judgment, final judgment, that day, before that day, that yogi said, tomorrow you will give judgment, tomorrow you cannot come in the court. Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, "Dekha jabe. You see, I shall see later." Then when he gone his house, he has seen his sons, daughters, everybody suffering from diarrhea, very heavy diarrhea. He called doctor, give me some medicine, etc. Then he have got some pain and fever, pain with fever in his body. He cannot walk and he cannot move from his bed. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, I shall go today, giving my judgment, and I must go to call some palki, carry me. That time he had fever 106 degrees, and whole body was very painful. But he said, I must give today my judgment. And when he went door of the court, his fever gone, his pain gone,